Hey guys, today you're in for a special treat. I'm here at the Spangler Candy Factory in Bryan, Ohio, home of the world famous Dum-Dums. You've heard the saying, there's a sucker born every minute? Well here, how about over 10,000 every minute? And today we're going to find out exactly how they do it. Come on, let's go. Well, you might be wondering, why are we featuring a candy factory on Manly Moments? What's so manly about candy? Well, let me just ask you. Who can take a sunrise, sprinkle it with dew, cover it with chocolate, and a miracle or two? It ain't the candy woman. Besides, most guys I know are a sucker for sweets. I think that's why they call them lollipops instead of lollymoms. Well, Dum-Dums originated with the Akron Candy Company in Bellevue, Ohio, back in 1924. I.C. Barr, one of the earlier sales managers, came up with the name because he figured Dum-Dums would be an easy name for kids to speak and remember. Obviously, the guy was no dummy. Well, in 1953, Spangler Candy Company purchased Dum-Dums and moved the location to Bryan, Ohio. And today, Dum-Dums is one of the most widely recognized names in the candy industry. You'll find them in most homes, banks, businesses, and retail places where they sell candy. Well, today I've got with me the store manager, Ann Spangler, joining us. How's it going, Ann?
It's going great today.
You know, I got to tell you, working at a place like this, you got to feel a little bit like a kid in a candy store.
Well, literally, yes, right? It's we have just all kinds of our candies that we make here. We have Dum-Dums, marshmallow peanuts, candy canes, and our safety pops.
Well, I was hoping today you might be able to share with us just a little bit about how Dum-Dums are made.
So we have tankers come in that carry corn syrup and sugar. They unload them in the back. The sugar's piped through. It goes through a cooking process onto a table where it's being mixed up. It goes through a batch roller to be formed, and the sticks put in. It goes through a tumbler, and then hits the wrapping room to be wrapped, and then out to be bagged and put into cases.
And how many of these do you think you make in a day here?
Well, we average about 12 million a day.
12 million?
Well, that's Dum-Dums, and then we make about 1.5 million candy canes a day as well. And of course our safety pops and the peanuts.
12 million Dum-Dums a day. That is amazing. Well, tell me some of the different flavors you guys make.
Well, we have 16 flavors plus the mystery. And among those are the blue raz flavor, cotton candy, bubble gum, orange, cream soda, cherry, root beer, grape. We have a lot of flavors.
Yeah, we were just on the tour. I saw the Oreo cookie flavor. So obviously there's more than 16 flavors.
Oreo cookie is actually the candy cane.
The candy cane,
Yeah.
okay.
Mm-hmm.
I'm getting my candy.
But yeah, we also have holiday flavors like apple cider, sugar plum, hot cocoa, Christmas cookie.
I think I know what I'm having for dinner. So, and what's the story behind the mystery flavor? I've got one of these little mystery pops here. Got a little question mark on it. What's the story behind that?
Well, actually, it's a mystery. I can't tell you.
Every bag comes with one.
Absolutely.
Okay, well good. Well, that's what I call a sweet deal. We can't really end today without having some kind of a giveaway. So what we've got here is this big bag of Dum-Dums and a couple of trolley tours. We're only an hour away from Fort Wayne. And I think we're going to give these away, aren't we?
Oh, yeah.
So anybody who reposts this video, I don't care if it's on Facebook or Pinterest or Twitter, and then leave a comment below saying I shared it, I'll put your name in a drawing. Next week, we'll draw one lucky winner. And while you're at it, make sure you check out some of our other videos, and we'll see you next time for another episode.